section. And just to sum it up, like as always, Gopalji has already finished 8 online batches of recombinant DNA technology, and now this is going to be the end of the 9th batch. And definitely, I personally attended many a session in this particular 9th batch, and I found that really he is a very good teacher. Though I am also a teacher, but I learned so much things. I am also working on the same field of recombinant DNA technology, but still there are many things which I was not knowing. And after attending this thing, particularly 9th batch, I came to know some of the tricks where I was lacking. So I thank Gopalji Gopal for this particular thing. And now I would like to ask our director sir, Professor Krishnamurthy sir, just to say a few words about this particular program, how he think that how the things are going, what is the benefit of this kind of program, and what you want to say to continue this kind of program for the future also.
and take take feedback of participants, few of the participants also, if they wish to share.
Sure, sir, definitely.
After sir, director sir speech, then
Thank you, Kobalji and his team and Sharmaji for making me to meet 9 times participants over a period of 1 year. Good evening to all participants to this valedictory of 9th batch Recombinant DNA Technology online certificate course hosted by Ukkatarsadya University and sponsored by GSPTM Gandhinagar, Gujarat.
No, sir. This batch is not sponsored by GSBTM.
Okay. So thank you for your information.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Only
So,
out of 9, 2 batches were sponsored by GSBTM.
Okay.
Self-sponsor.
So I would really appreciate Ukkatarsadya University for supporting and giving support, all the possible support to my staffs, Kobalji, for organizing such a wonderful 10-day certificate course. It is my great pleasure to welcome our valedictory guest, Professor Dave. Today, we have reached to end of 10 days. Recombinant DNA technology. It is specially very efficiently organized by Dr. Kobalji Gopal along with his team, Abhishek, and there are many more supporting staff who did during this time. I must appreciate Dr. Kobalji and his team for successfully organizing such a relevant and useful course of 9 batches since last March 2020 after COVID-19 lockdown and training over 1,000 participants all over from India. I must also acknowledge our university for making such a successful event and a very useful course since last 1 year period. And I would like to recall you again that recombinant DNA technology has wider application in medicine, pharmacy, agriculture, veterinary science, aquaculture, and large industrial application in addition to strengthening academic background. I am sure that your 10 days course will be very useful for your future career, particularly in research and academic. I believe that you enjoyed the course and wish you all the best. Thank you for your participation. Good luck.
Thank you, Professor sir, Krishnamurthy sir. Now I would like to invite any of the participant if they want to share their feedback, share their experience with us, what they found, especially in this course, what is the positive side, as well as I would also be happy if they will discuss what would be the negative, they found something in this particular course. We will very happy if you share your words with us. Any of the participant, if they want, just switch on your mic and please say something about this.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please. Please tell your name and then you can start.
I am Sanskriti Agrawat. I study at St. Xavier's, and I came
You
to know.
you can open your this camera also, video also, if you wish. Your camera, if you can wish.
Sir, it won't be possible right now.
Okay. Please continue.
So, sir, I would really like to thank Gopal, sir. I appreciate the efforts. Thank you for organizing this. It was really helpful for I think lot of us, because it's like a boon for us because of the Corona vacation that we got. I really had lost the touch of all the topics. And sir also it goes into the backstory of what he's trying to explain. So it's like really engaging, and it's like a boon for students like us who are pursuing future in biotechnology. And like the 11 days, the journey, it was really insightful, and recombinant DNA technology is obviously has a really wider applications, so it's going to be really helpful for students like us. Really thanks Gopal sir and the organizer. Thank you for organizing.
Thank you, Sanskriti. You have not introduced your institute name, I think. Have you introduced?
Sir, I'm from St. Xavier's, Ahmedabad.
Okay, good. So participants must introduce, means you mention your name and institute, please. And for your information, Professor Naresh Kumar is also my mentor. I have worked during my postdoc, means after PhD, I have joined as assistant professor at MS University. So he is my mentor, and my MSc mentor is Professor Shailesh Dave, sir, SR Dave. I have during my MSc, he was my mentor. I did my MSc, so I worked under him for 2 years during my MSc. So it's a good opportunity for me, and he will be happy to know that students are happy with me. And if something is demerit, then also there is a scope for improvement. I have also mentioned you before that there is always a scope for improvement. So you must discuss that thing also. And good thing, if you have learned, if you have got something new, so you should also mention that. It is good. क्योंकि टीचर का वही होता है कि हमारा स्टूडेंट कितना सफल हुआ, क्या कर रहा है. So it's good for teacher, मेरे लिए भी अच्छा है, and my teacher, for it's better for my teacher also. He will be happy to know. So you must mention honest thing, bona fide thing, genuine thing, not exaggerated, but you must mention. Yes, please. Any other participants?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, madam.
I'm Dr. Sadhana from Tyagaraja College, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. I'm working as an assistant professor in botany department. So I first of all thank you for all for giving this superb opportunity for all kind of people that belongs to the students and also the faculty members. So your teaching is very good, sir. Good effort. I congratulate all the coordinators, then arrangement, organizers, everything. So the topics, you got to include some more topics, sir, application-oriented topics, sir, like the production of the edible vaccines or plantibodies, antigens, which is related with the transgenic plants. So the production level nowadays, the topic for this level is very much increased at different categories of these activities, so that you may include some more topics also. So overall, the 10 days or 11 days of this work, which is very good effort. Thank you for this given opportunity for us, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. I have taken your suggestion as seriously, and I will try to include those topics also in next batch. But as you know, we have different categories of participants, so it's difficult. But I will take that advanced technique separately with the help of Naresh Kumar sir, SR Dave sir. I will take few more topic but for only for this PhD and post PhD and faculties, not for a student. Yes.
Sir, may I?
Yes, Hemangi, you can say what you want to say, please.
Hello, sir. I am from Sri Ramakrishna Institute, Surat, and मैं गोपाल जी सर को लंबे समय से जानती हूँ एंड मैं पर्सनली ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि मतलब ऑनेस्टली मैं जो भी बोल रही हूँ ऑनेस्टली बोल रही हूँ कि आज तक हम रामकृष्ण में पढ़े 3 साल 4 साल, लेकिन मैं ये सबके सामने बोल रही हूँ, मैंने गोपाल जी सर जैसे सर मैंने अपनी लाइफ में नहीं देखे। मैं उन्हें अपना गुरु मानती हूँ। अगर वो ना होते तो मेरे बेसिक भी इतने क्लियर नहीं होते। एंड द मेन थिंग कि हम उनको कॉमन से कॉमन क्वेरी भी पूछ सकते हैं। अगर हम किसी और फैकल्टी से पूछते तो ऐसा बोलते तुम्हें इतना नहीं पता क्या करते हो। सर है कि कितनी भी बार पूछो वो हमेशा में आंसर देते हैं, और वो सामने से भी नाम लेके पूछते हैं आपको कि तुम्हें समझ में आया, तुम्हें समझ में आया। वो हमारे साथ इंटरेक्ट रहते हैं, तो वो हमारे लिए बड़ी बात है। एंड जो नॉलेज उनके पास है वो हम तक पहुंच रहा है, वो ही बड़ी बात है। क्योंकि जिस तरह से वो हमें नॉलेज देते हैं और द वे, मतलब शब्द नहीं है उनके लिए। मैंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ में मैंने उनके जैसा गुरु मैंने नहीं देखा आज तक। एंड वो, और सिर्फ 15 दिन का अभी तो उन्होंने ये 15 दिन का कोर्स किया और कई सारे टॉपिक्स भी इंक्लूड किए। इससे पहले उन्होंने जो बैच लिया था उसमें उन्होंने 5 दिन का और ऐसे ही कोर्स किए थे। तो मतलब 5 दिन के कोर्स के समय में वो हमें लाइफ टाइम के लिए हमें हमारे साथ वो कनेक्शन रखने की हमें गारंटी देते हैं कि आपको जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप मुझे बोलिएगा। तो ये बड़ी बात है। ऐसा लगता है कि किसी का सहारा हमारे साथ है। हाँ, इस फील्ड में अगर हमारे साथ कोई नहीं है तो एटलीस्ट सर है, वो हमें गाइड करेंगे, हम अकेले नहीं है। तो ये जो गारंटी है ना वही हमारे लिए बड़ी बात है, ये हमारा डर दूर भगाती है। तो थैंक यू सो मच गोपाल सर। एंड जितना भी बोलूँ कम ही रहेगा, मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगी। थैंक यू सो मच गोपाल सर।
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, Akash, you can say.
हाँ sir, myself Akash Mone from GN Khalsa College, Matunga. Okay. Sir.
Yeah.
Hello. आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, you proceed, please proceed.
Yeah. सर आपका टीचिंग सेंस बहुत अच्छा है सर, बहुत अच्छा है। आपके ऐसा टीचिंग सेंस मैंने किसी का नहीं देखा है अभी तक। और सर अगर ऐसा टीचिंग सेंस रहे तो सर बहुत मजा आता है लर्न करने के साथ, बहुत। और सर ये बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव था, ये 10 दिन का कोर्स। एंड सर आप जो एग्जांपल्स देते हैं बच्चों को सिखाने के लिए, सर ये एग्जांपल्स मेरे को नहीं समझता तो भी समझ जाता है सर उसके बाद।
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, you are really a genius in this field, sir. I must say this. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, may I?
Yes, please. Yes, Alia.
I am Alia Fatiwala from Uka Sadia University. Good evening, each and every faculty, director sir, Gopalji sir, Abhishek sir, and all faculties and students present here. I am very thankful and I learned so much from this course. I would like to thank Gopalji sir and Abhishek sir and all other faculties. You have explained us so well that it's so easy to understand. We even get the concept so well. You give so nice examples. We understand very nicely. I would always thank for you, and I also appreciate each and everyone who has organized this type of sessions, and I will always wish to participate in such other sessions like this. I always thank director sir and Gopalji sir and Abhishek sir and all the faculty members who have explained us so well. Thank you so much everyone.
Thank you, Alia. Yes.
Sir, may I?
Yes, Isha, you can.
Yeah, my name is Esha Trivedi. I'm from President Science College. It was a really good experience that sir worked on us, and it was really made interaction between us, everyone. And to be honest, I attend the lectures with so much concentration in this subject that I never did ago. And it was really good effort from the Gopalji sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Isha. Anyone else, please?
Any other participants? Mayur Brandy.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir. I'm Brandy. I'm very happy to join you for this particular course. I'm from MSc University of Darida, pursuing my MSc in microbiology. I find this course to be very, very interesting, and then it has helped me a lot. I thank all faculty members of the Ukata Sadia University for organizing such a wonderful program. Thank you all. Thank you all. And I wish to join for future lectures as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Brandy.
No other participants? Mayur Morvia ji.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
हाँ जी सर, आपसे पढ़ के बहुत अच्छा लगा। और कुछ मेरा पैथोलॉजी लैब है, मैं पहले अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूं।
जी 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 जी।
हाँ, मयूर पैथोलॉजी लैब के नाम से ही मैं चला रहा हूँ सिंस 1998।
ओह ग्रेट।
और कई बार खुद को मतलब वापस पढ़ने का भी मजा आता है, रिवाइंड करने का। इसीलिए मैं यहाँ हमारी जो साइंस कॉलेज है उसके एचओडी ने ये मुझे लिंक शेयर किया था, तो मुझे इंटरेस्ट लगा और मैं जुड़ गया और रियली बहुत अच्छा लगा सर। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सो मच। Okay. Then Abhishek.
So thank you all the participants for sharing all your nice comments as well as the suggestions also. Definitely from the feedback I can understand that it is not the, what I can say, it is not something good inside the Gopalji Gopal, but definitely the love what he got from the students is the main thing which promotes him to do this kind of course. And definitely indeed he is a very marvelous teacher, and I also enjoyed what whenever he teaches something, we also learn. Being a teacher, we also learn whatever he teaches to us. So being a colleague and being a student also, I would like to thank Gopalji Gopal, and now I would like to invite our guest, Professor Naresh Kumar sir, so to say some kind words to us and to share their feedback.
So for those who are new, I don't think sir तो join किए थे ना इसमें भी starting में I think.
Yes sir, sir was there in the starting.
Yes. So sir has served Nirma Biochemistry Department for 35 years, and he is PhD from TIFR, top institution, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. And I have used his lab for 2 years from 2013 to 15. And I cannot say that his lab was very, very good, but he always tried to ask question and discuss this good ideas. I have observed that he call all the researchers, faculties, and ask and put some question and then discuss things. That I like is to discuss that idea. His lab was not like a JNU and IIT. I can honestly say you, but he involved students and teacher for this discussing these ideas. Thank you, sir. I have spent 2 years in your lab and I have learned so many things. At least scientific temperament, I can say that. Please, sir.
Yeah, good evening to all the participants and everyone. It's nice to see that the recombinant course is getting very popular, and the feedback from the participant is shows that they are getting enthusiastic about molecular biology. That is one very important aspect, because generally people think techniques and methodologies are very boring. That also, when you have a lot of kits available, molecular biology is so standardized and routine. It's getting an interest and knowing all these things is very necessary, and many people ignore this, because when you can do a lot of things by kits and everything, why do you need to know all the concepts? Let's go and read textbooks and everything, and talk about more about theory and what goes on and all. But it is necessary when any subject, especially biology, is experimental science. Just getting an idea is not sufficient. You need to actually do, and getting ideas, you need to experiment and verify that. So you cannot ignore the methods, and it's very nice to see that molecular biology is becoming, has already the center for all the biology disciplines. So getting young students and whoever is interested to learn, getting some sort of a clarification of the concepts and knowing what the principles are behind it, this is essential for carrying out the experiments properly. And of course, the troubleshooting and so on and so forth. So this type of enthusiasm is whatever you got is a beginning of the long-term efforts are required in the molecular biology things. So when you actually start doing experiments, then you try to realize the slight difference between understanding of the concept and the way you do experiments. Both are necessary. It is very nice to know about how to make tea and everything. Unless you make tea and drink it, you don't know actually whether you become an expert or not. You can talk about all types of aromas and everything. Even if you get a Darjeeling tea, you can spoil it like anything. So that is the second level you need to do that, because of the whatever the practical scenario right now, you may not be able to get that opportunity of knowing your experimental skills and how these concepts are going to make a difference. This is, you may not realize now, but it is very important that understanding of the skills will help you to do the experiments much better, much better. This point you need to really understand that. You will realize this when you do the experiments. Okay, that is first level. Second level is if you understand the concepts, when you have a problem, when you're reading something, you also try to think in terms of techniques, which method I can use, how to use it, and so on and so forth. So in planning and designing of new experiments to tackle some of the big problems, whatever are there, is going to help. So whatever the knowledge is there, now you try to utilize, read the specific areas of your interest and try to see how much better perspective you got now reading those new areas of the subject. So that is going to be important. So till you get an opportunity to actually do the experiments on hand, at least you try to get your ideas better in the specific topics of your interest, and internet now gives an enormous opportunity to do that. So be at it, best of luck, have a good time, and it's nice to see that the Gopalji and his team is doing very good work, and all the participants enjoy the molecular biology, the spirit, and then try to do something innovative thing in this. Any challenging aspects of molecular biology. That's going to be the base for the coming years. And the last point is that now the year 2000 is provided an opportunity for demonstrating the competency of IT of our country. I think now it is an opportunity for us to demonstrate the competency of biotechnology in our country. So I wish all of you take the spirit and make our country contribute more things in molecular biology. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Abhishek.
Thank you, Professor Naresh Kumar sir, for all the best words and for your encouragement. Now I would like to invite Professor S.K. Dave sir to kindly provide his feedback and say something about this course. Please,
So sir has 35 more than 35 year at microbiology department, Gujarat University, and theoretical molecular biology. Sir used to teach me in MSc, not practical, because I can openly say that practical things, molecular biology things were not available. But my department shifted from life science to microbiology. So SR दवे सर 8 बजे सुबह आके, क्योंकि सिलेबस खत्म करना था सर, आके और मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी का टीचर नहीं मिल रहा था, तो सर ही CDNA लाइब्रेरी और theoretical aspect he used to teach. Though he is teacher of microbiology, but basic जो शुरू का molecular biology का था, practical things I have learned at JNU. Honestly speaking, I got opportunity to learn several things, but theoretical aspect I learned from SR Dave sir during my MSc, because very few teachers were teaching molecular biology. So sir started teaching, extra time de ke bhi syllabus khatam karna tha. So I still remember that 15 years before things. Thank you, sir. Please, sir.
Okay. Good evening to all of you. And it is my pleasure and privilege to address the participants, those who have attended this course. As Gopalji has mentioned, they were the DBT sponsored MSc student in our department. And from that very 2 years of my experience, I was very sure that Gopalji will come out as a very good scientist and the teacher. The way he was asking the questions, it is a DBT sponsored program at that time. So not only the Gopalji, but all his classmates, they were very particular in asking a smallest and questions, which after that 3-4 batch of the biotech is over, I have never come across the students, those who are reading the books and asking. The second thing, what I want to tell, see, in most of the colleges, as I have seen that the many participants, they are from the undergraduate, postgraduate, as well as the doctorate level are there. And the molecular biology was not that popular before 20-25 years in India, in particular colleges. So the teachers, the senior teachers, those who were teaching the molecular biology and rDNA technology, mostly we used to read, and then whatever we used to understand, we are able to talk. While in case of the Gopalji, he had the experience and nearly 5 to 6 years experience at JNU for performing many experiments on molecular biology, particularly rDNA technology. Fundamentals. And what Naresh Kumar has mentioned, even the ready-made kits are available, but if you are doing experiments with the kits and all these things without understanding the principle, the way it is taught by Gopalji, then you will become a technician, not a scientist or not a teacher. Or to become a scientist or teacher, it is very essential to understand the core part of the rDNA technology or any subject, and that is teaching, and he need not to have certificate from anybody, because this is the 9th course, and students are attending this course or they are joining course throughout India. If the person is not a good teacher and not providing the good material, as well as not very friendly or very lucid in his language, then definitely after 1 or 2 batches, the people will not attend. So, no, this is more than enough that continuously he is taking one and the other batch. Now, as mentioned by Dr. From the botany department, to include some of the applied values of rDNA technology. But as Gopalji said, that this course is for the basic understanding of molecular biology. And I also request him that he can have an advanced course on rDNA technology and its applications. So those who are knowing the basic techniques, but those who want to use that applications for the development of this particular field, then it would be useful. And I'm sure that those who have attended, because the way Gopalji was used to ask the question, I'm sure that whenever any participant might be asking why you are requiring this phenol buffer, or why you are doing at that particular percentage of the gel for the separation, why you are going for the amplifications, because at many places, people are not explaining what is the importance of each and every step. So you can perform the experiment, but you are not knowing why and how the experiment was performed. So all the best to Gopalji, and all the best to the students, those who attended. And I think that he may continue many more this type of courses. For that, I request the Professor Krishnamurthy from his college, as well as the managing member from his college, to support him financially, because taking 30 hours for each batch, and that too after the official his teaching hours, so he is taking that burden. So he may not be expecting the reward, but the managing people, they should reward him at least in terms of a certificate and all these things. That is very much essential. All the best for Gopalji as well as for all. And I'm also thankful to Abhishek for conducting this forever program. And due to this, a participant will come to know that 2 teachers, myself and Professor Naresh Kumar, those have the good experience of Gopalji for few years, and I'm knowing him more than, I think, 25 years.
Yes.
So, okay, all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Keep blessing us, sir. And
it's always with you.
I'm seeing in participants list S. Yog Chitra, assistant professor. Can you suggest something for this course, madam? Yog Chitra, madam, you have not shared your feedback.
Good evening.
Good
evening, sir. So the 11 days course was highly informative, and it's very useful, sir. And I have been teaching molecular biology and genetic engineering for the past 12 years, sir. Even though I could find many things which is very useful to us, sir. And one more suggestion, what I want to add is, if it would be better if you could add up any practical component into it, sir, if possible. The basic molecular techniques, sir.
Yes.
So if possible in future, sir, it would be very helpful to all the students, sir.
Yes, madam. It's good that if teachers are participants and they are also satisfied, that gives me energy. And my teacher will be also happy that at least I am satisfied. And I have clearly, openly said that you can suggest negative thing also, so that I can include.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I saw you in the people list. And
yes, sir. I was returning back from my college, so that only I couldn't give any suggestion during the feedback session, sir. Just now only I returned from the college, sir.
Okay, madam. So you are from which college, madam?
From Tyagarajar College, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, sir.
Okay, madam.
Very same college of Sadhana, madam. We are from the very same college, sir.
Okay. Good. Thank you, madam.
Very informative, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Yoga Chitra and Shivadurga madam belongs to the plant biotechnology course, sir.
Okay, Shiva Durga madam left, I think.
Ah, yes, sir. We were
Yes, she is
returning from
also
the
regular.
college.
You three are very regular. Yog Chitra madam and Shiva Durga madam is regular. Regular than
Thank you.
participants. I have observed that you are regular. Some of the students they pay and they forget, but it's good.
We know the difficulty of a teacher, sir. You're
Yeah.
putting lots and lots of efforts, sir. Hats up to
Yeah.
you. Lots and lots of effort.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah, I
Thank
know
you.
the difficulty of teaching through online mode, sir. We are suffering for the past 1 year. So it
Yes,
will be a
madam.
great task for us to teach in online mode. You have done it successfully, sir. So all the information have reached all the participants. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. I've said.
So nothing more from my side to say. All our dignitary invitees and all the participants have said everything to you and to your program, Gopalji Gopal. And from my side also, I wish very good luck to you. And many congratulations on the completion of this 9th course. Now it is to you. How you take
I
it.
would like to mention Dave sir and NK sir that this time participants number are less because my university payment portal was not working properly. There were 68 registered participants, but only 33 have paid, and even 27 had paid in university account. 6 paid after this starting the course. 6 paid to Google Pay through Google Pay. That's why number of participants are less. So my director sir is also here, but payment portal is not in his hand. I am enjoying freedom from our vice chancellor and director sir. Always able to conduct, but obviously I have to compromise my family time. But it's good. I enjoy interacting with researchers and students, and also it's satisfactory that my teachers are also getting feedback about my teaching. So it's good कि शैलेश दवे सर और एनके सर या हमारे डायरेक्टर सर, and for God's sake I don't convince any people like stage management. Most of the conference and other things people manage the stage, but I don't say any participants to say anything like positive and negative. I genuinely say them to share your feedback genuinely so that we can improve, which is better for society, better for science, and better for nation. Because only good feedback will not help me to improve.
Yes.
But good feedback is also required for energy, for giving. But not all good feedback is not good for long term. And I have not conveyed any participants, any people to write this or those things.
Gopalji, if it is a smaller group, they can interact with you very well, and always smaller group training is good, and take it as a positive. This is the first time you got smaller group, and
Yes,
I
sir.
found it very interesting. What you can do, as Dr. Chitra said, you can include something for related to this practical.
Yes, yes, sir.
So because they will enjoy if you can do with that is possible if you do with a smaller group, and our university will help you for all aspect, and then take these things in your mind. Next time when you organize, keep it all right. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Dave sir. And
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. And we are happy that now you are doing this very good work for the society. Teaching is very nice work, and you are doing it 100% of your inputs. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So participants may stay for 20-30 minutes more. I have few slides left. And I request now our guest to leave because he is busy. Fine. Are you here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. कुछ स्लाइड बचा है, so I am trying to completed. Complete कर दो ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So fine. So you can see the impact of use of vaccine. I'm closing this. Just wait.